Welcome back to SQL full course tutorial. In this lecture, we will discuss topics delete, truncate and drop command. Delete command is used to remove all the records or some of the records based on condition from the table. And truncate command is used to empty the table, means all records from the table are deleted. And drop command is used to delete the table itself. Let's open SQL Server Management Studio and connect it to the server. Now make company DB your current database by selecting this and execute this. You can select it from this drop down. Now select any of the table from this company DB database from which you want to delete some of the records. First, I am taking EMP copy. First, select this statement and know what are the records in this table. These are the records in this table. Suppose you want to delete finance department data records. Now we will write the command to delete. Now select this statement and execute. Now we can see two rows are affected. Now we will check it by selecting this statement, execute. Now we can see there is no records related to the department finance. We can use any condition based on any of any of these columns. So in this way we can delete some of the records from the table based on the condition. Now suppose we want to delete all the records from the table and want to keep the table. To do this, we will use truncate. Now we'll select this statement and execute this. Now we can see commands completed successfully. Now we'll check. Now we can see we have the table, but there is no record. So to empty the table, we use truncate command. Now suppose you want to delete the table, means you want to remove the table from the database, whether it has records or it doesn't have records. To do this, we will use drop command. Now select this statement and execute. Now we can see commands completed successfully. Now we'll check it whether a table is deleted or not. Select this statement, execute. Now we can see it has thrown a message that invalid object name emp underscore copy, because this table now doesn't exist because we have dropped the table. So in this way, we can use these commands, delete command, truncate command and drop command to do all these operations. That's all for this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press bell icon to stay updated with upcoming SQL videos. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video.